All right, guys, welcome back. It's another day in paradise of working on this 911. So I want to show you something. I don't know if I showed it before, but I'm going to show it now. Show you two different things here. All right, guys, so let me show you what's going on here. I believe this quarter was replaced at one time. You can see the original quarter piece at the pinch welds right here. That's what that is right there. And then you can see up here, it's been sliced. They cut that all the way up, if you can see that. There's no, I don't even know how it's welded on there, but they overlap the old pinch welds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry that out. I'm gonna cut it right up here. Right up here, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna draw out all those spot welds. I'm gonna come around, and I'm probably gonna cut it probably right along here, and then I'm gonna get all those spot welds down there. So this is something homemade here. They redid a long time ago. But I'm gonna show you what them spot welds should look like in that jam. You see there? See? That's what it should look like. So I don't know what happened. Like I said, I believe it was in an accident at one time. But the car still looks pretty straight. And we're gonna make it look better. So let me set up my tripod and get this thing going. Like I said, once that quarter comes off, then I gotta clean all inside there. I'm gonna take the wheel off first and all that crap. So let me get set up for you. Alright guys, that wasn't too bad. Had to go through a couple batteries because I didn't have any fully charged ones. So if you've seen, I took out my air drill. That's not going to run out of anything. And my face is dirty again. Why? But yeah, this lid shit sucks. So let me show you what I did. So I got my grinder. I got the paint up so I can see the spot welds. And then you see I hit that one and poof, rust came out. Hit that one, poof, rust came out. But this is where all the lead was. So can't get it all, so I'm gonna have to cut it. And same one up here. I'm gonna have to cut it up here. I think there's a spot weld maybe like right there. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. But I'm cutting it. I'm gonna cut it probably right below that anyway. And go that way. So you didn't see that. So I'm gonna cut it right below that anyway. And we're gonna go straight line that way. So all those spot welds are up. You see all the lead. That's not all lead, that's metal, but the lead dust. Yeah, so that's why I put my mask on. Not that it's gonna work. But yeah. So now I just have to gently cut right here and get in there a little bit. And put some tape up on here because I want to put like a straight line, like I said. So I'm gonna use a piece of tape and do that. Then this should be ready to pull off. Then I have to get my air hammer up underneath and just gently tap it, and same over there. So it's gonna be fun. But this goes in more. So it's gonna be a little harder, easier to go up underneath maybe, I don't know. I'll find out. If not, I'll just cut it and then just grind that crap away. So I want to kind of take it off in one piece. So let me put you back on tripod. Alright guys, so this is what's actually holding on the quarter panel right now. All this tar crap that they put on top of the undercoating. It's just, it don't even come off. I tried everything before, but this is gonna be fun. Anybody want to come over and do this for me? Yeah, it sucks. My quarter's done. Look at the Bondo. See the Bondo in the back there? See it under here too. There's a little bit of damage. See what they did there. All right, so I got some spot welds right there I gotta take out. So that looks like fun. That's dented a little bit, but nothing major. We might be able to fix that. All right, you know what? I might just cut that out. I just hit that with the cutoff wheel. Gonna zip it right up along that weld or lead. Yeah, that seems like the right thing to do. But all right, let me get going, and I don't want to get this shit all over me. All right, I gotta get back to work. Alright guys, so I actually had to come under here and scrape away, and just as I suspected, that's got a lot of rust on the quarter panel. So I actually blew a hole right there, which I'll have to fix that. I was just going by where the crease was with the seam or schutz and tar and dirt. I thought that was where the give point was, but now I know, and now I can blow away at the rust spots. So once I get it started, it should be pretty easy to finish. So let me get going. Well guys, I got it. I got it. And now I have to do the hard part of cleaning all this crap up off of this inner structure, I should say. It's got a lot of crap, a lot. Looks like a 3,000-year-old crocodile. It's back. Yep. So let's take a look at this and the quarter I took off. What you got, guys? Look at that. And you can see rust up here. I'm gonna grind that down. It looks like surface rust. I don't think it's anything too major. Yep. So this is gonna be fun. So now I gotta put my zoot suit back on and grind away. Grind away. I'm gonna have to cover up the inside of the car now so I don't get all this crap all over it. So now we go over to the the quarter itself. Just as I expected, it was gonna be rusty as shit. So that's why it was just easier and cheaper to put a whole new one on. Good thing we did, because it has Bondo and everything else. You can see all the rot down here, and like I said, up there. So it was up under the welds. It was up under here. And funny thing, this inner rocker is a different color. It's like they got it off a parts car. See that? It's like burgundy. Bill Burgundy. And you see, whoops, they cut it because there's no pinch weld area. There we go. Focus. So, yep, I kind of crumbled it a little bit, but rocker shot anyway. Rocker. I keep saying rocker. I don't know why. That could be primer, though. It might be primer. Yeah, it's more looking like a primer now because it's on the quarter, too. So, but I don't think the quarter... You can see the holes down there, quarter. So now we can look at this. Yeah, this thing got a little love tap in the back. Definitely. Nothing major. Nothing to do any structural damage or nothing like that. So, just crumble that. I'll straighten that up. You see they had a dent puller in there from back in the day and pulling that out. So I gotta trim all this fat off of here. Clean all this stuff up. Clean this up. But check out up top in here. Let's get some of that. Oh, this stuff is horrible. It's like tar and shoots and dirt, a lot of dirt. Years and years of dirt. But all right, so let me go grab some lunch. I'm gonna come back with my zoot suit and get going. All right, guys, back from lunch. Now it's time to get dirty. So let me get going. Alright guys, so I had to run to that Harbor Freight store and grab some more of those braided wheels because the one I had ran out of oomph. So got pretty far, got the whole inner wheel well done. So I'll show you that in a second. You see it on the time lapse, but you know, I'm just looking at my garage floor and I'm like, oh my God, it's horrible. It really is. It's yeah, it's real bad. So I got crap all over the place. So come springtime, I am going to have to pull everything out of here and just wipe it down. It's just not from this job, it's from other ones too, but this one's pretty good. This is probably tops it because this had so much stuff on it. It had dirt, tar, and the shoots. Yeah. So next time I probably do this outside. That'd be a smart thing to do, but you're talking about me now. I'm not that bright. So let me show you what I did and stop rambling. All right, day 2 of making a complete mess of my garage. Look at all this crap. Ugh. Good thing I got spring cleaning coming up. I gotta take everything out and redo everything. But here's what it looks like all ground down. All that crap is off there now. So I'm glad this ain't out too far. This is where I thought it would be. I still want to take this off because sometimes the moisture gets behind there and that rust, we have that piece. I don't want to fix that and be like, pull that off and then that's crap. So I'm going to pull that off very, very soon. And he just has some surface pitting rust up here. Nothing structurally or nothing like that. This is still good. I wouldn't even worry about it. I'm going to grind it down some more for you and then I'll treat it and then we'll call it good because like I said, it's still thick metal right there. So we got it just in time. So, but there's that little damage I was talking to you about earlier. I'll fix that for you too, no biggie. And yeah, it's coming along pretty good for you. So I just got to clean up these here tomorrow. I'll clean them up, clean that up. I'll grind all that up. I'm gonna start working on that so we can get that out. And probably put the suspension on for now. And then once I get the other side done, then I'll put everything in epoxy primer and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so that's going to end it on this video on the 911T. If you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, leave a comment seeing what I should do or what I'm doing wrong. If I am doing anything wrong, I don't know. So, you know, everybody, it's a learning day every day. So, but I've done this before, and everything seems to work before. I'm dirty again. Oh, well. But, yeah, so it's going to end it on this video, and I will see you on the next one. So make sure you subscribe so you get those updates. Ring that little bell. Ding, ding. So, all right, see you then.